What's this? Wow, let's just throw it up. Ah, it's snow! Hey guys, today we're making snow. We're using Build a Blizzard in a Box kit. It's from Discovery, and it says mind blown, so let's see if it actually blows my mind. First, let's open it. Alright. I'm going to take this out. Oh, here's the instruction. The steps are right here. Let's get a plate. Okay. So, I think you have to no, I cannot read. So I think you pour a little bit of water in here like this. Enough that you can put your hand right here. And then we got glitter. We'll do that in a little bit. Now here's, it kind of, I think it looks like sand. Oh no, I just got it in the thing. Okay, so I think you're supposed to do this. You grab a little of this, put it in your hand. And this could get a little bit messy if you're in your house, so yeah. And then you don't have to use a plate if you're outside, but I mean, I don't want it to get this table messy. So you just pour the water in your hand. Boom. There you go. Alright. It feels like rubber, like stuff that you see on the playground. It kind of feels like that when you make it. You can put it right here. You can mix it around. Let's try the glitter. It's very pretty glitter. Alright. And then that looks really nice. Alright, let's do that. You get a little on your finger and put that in the box. And then look how good that glitter is. Looks good on the snow too. Yeah, I think this glitter looks really cool. Do you think it does? I think it does. Alright, let's see what happens if we do a lot of snow. I'm gonna do a lot of water. Alright. You don't have to put your hand on it. Alright. Get this beaker. It's so cool how it just turns instantly into it. And then it's just hard together. But once you peel it apart, you can smooth it. It's kind of like Play-Doh, but very soft and easier to destroy. Alright, let's put it down. I might get it out. Just mix it together. And there you go. That's how you make snow. Hope you guys enjoyed the snow. I think you should try it and you test it out yourself. Alright? This was fun. Hope you guys enjoy.